Hello students, I hope you all will be fine. Today we will start our new subject, reasoning. What is the reasoning? In the reasoning, I will check your mental ability, or we can say presence of mind. So we will start with our topic, dice. Okay. First of all, we will learn about the types of the dice. Okay. So let's start. There is two types of the dice. One is standard dice. Another one is general dice. What are the standard dice? If first let's draw one die here. Suppose this is given 5, 1 and this is 3. Okay. And here is given there is 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So two dice are given to you. Standard dice. The standard dice are those dice in which sum of opposite side is equal to 7. Okay. So here will be sum of opposite sides is equal to 7. Okay. Another thing, if, or we can say if sum of two adjacent sides not equal to 7. Okay. Understand these two things. What is the definition of a standard dice? How we will recognize the given dice is a standard or general? If the sum of opposite sides is equal to 7, but you cannot see opposite sides. Okay, only 3 faces or 3 surfaces will be visible to you, so you cannot recognize that. So what you have to check? You have to check if sum of two adjacent sides is not equal to 7. Adjacent means like this. What is the sum? 4. What is the sum? This is 6. What is sum? There is 8. So if the sum of two adjacent sides is not equal to 7, that means that dice is our standard dice. Standard dice. Okay. So in the standard dice, we know that the sum of opposite sides is equal to 7. Okay. So if I am having here 1, so what will be the opposite of 1? Because sum of the opposite side is equal to 7. So if I'll add 6, so it will be 7. What will be the opposite of 2? That will be 5. And what will be the opposite of 3? That will be 4. You have to learn this in the standard dice. In the standard dice, only you have to check whether the sum of the adjacent side is 7 or not. If that is not 7, that means that is a standard dice. What you have to do? You have to just learn these values. Means opposite of 1 will be 6 and opposite of 2 will be 5. Opposite of 3 will be 4. Okay. So this is your standard dice. Only this one. Here come to general dice. General dice means simple dice. Okay. We are talking about here simple dice. In the simple dice, if sum of two adjacent sides is equal to 7, if sum of two adjacent sides is equal to 7, then we will say that dice is general dice. That dice is general dice. So here check this, 3 plus 5, this is 8, 3 plus 4, this is 7. Yes, sum of adjacent is 7, that means this given dice is our general dice. Okay, general dice. So whenever any statement is given to you, first of all you will check whether that dice is standard or not. If that is standard, so your answer is fixed. You know what will be the opposite of opposite of 1 to 3 and opposite of 4 5 6. You know that. Okay, so no need of any calculation, any further thinking, just you have to write their answer. But if the case of general dice is given, how we will find out our answers, how we will find out the opposite cases. So there is some cases or some rules for the general dice. Okay, the first one is, if rule number 1. Okay, in the rule number 1, if only one dice is given, so in the general dice you cannot find out their opposites. If one dice, suppose I'm writing here, one dice is given like this, 5 4 3. Okay, like this. So here we cannot find out the opposite of these numbers because the sum of adjacent is 7. So we know that this is not standard, this is general dice. So we cannot find out the opposite of 3, 4 and 5 from here. We can just predict that, we can just think the opposite of 3, 4 and 5 will be from 1, 2 and 6, means from the missing numbers. But we cannot sure, we are not sure here, we cannot exactly say what will be the opposite of these numbers. Okay, so when the two dice are given, okay, suppose here is 3 4 2, here is 3 5 and 6. Okay, these two dice are given to you. First of all, you will recognize the dice, means type of dice, whether that is standard or general. So here the sum of these are not different dice, these are the same dice and different angles. Okay, these are the different angle of the same dice. So here is the sum of 3 and 5 is 7. 3 and 5 is 7. That means this is our general dice. Yes. So we have to find out the opposite of this. In the standard dice we can directly say. So suppose you have to find out here opposite to 3. Opposite to 3. In the rule number 1, if one number is common, here one number is common. So this is your first case, one number is common. Only one number is common. So if the common number position is at the same place or at the same side, means 3 is given here at the top, here is also at the top. If your 3 is given here and in this here, means position is same. So what you will do? This is same. So opposite of 2 will be 6 and opposite of 4 will be 5. So here, and the opposite of 3 is missing number. What is not in this? There is not 1. 1 is not given in this. So opposite of 3 is 1. Okay, if suppose you have to find the opposite of 2. So opposite of 2 will be 6. Opposite of 4 will be 5. Why? Because the position of the common number is same in both the dice, that is at the top. Okay, let's change our statement. Suppose here is given 1 and here is given 4. Here is given 4. So position of the 4 at the same place, means this is on the left hand side, this is also. So simply the opposite of 3 will be at the top because 3 is at top, and opposite of 2 will be 6. Okay. So this is your first rule when one number is common. In this when one number is common, there is one more case. There is one more case in which the common number is not given at the same position. Common number is one number is common, but that is not given at the same position. I am rubbing. Suppose this is your rule number 2. This is your rule number 2. Suppose your number 3 is given here, and here 3 is common, here is 1, and here is 5. Okay. What is common? Only 3 is common in both the dice. Only one number is common. So here is 3. Okay. Nothing is common. So, but the position of the 3 is not at the same position in both the dice. This is one dice but different angle. This is one dice but different angle. Okay. So what we will do here, we will move clockwise direction, in the clockwise direction or in the anti-clockwise direction. In both the cases, we will do rotation by the clockwise direction, and we will start from the common number. Where is our common number? 3 is here. So we will move here clockwise. From here we will move there in the clockwise direction. Okay. Here common number is here. So we will start from here in the clockwise direction, here to here. So what we have to do, just write 3. Okay. What is next in the clockwise direction? 2. What is next in the clockwise direction? That is 4. Okay. So here first is 3. We will start from the common number. Okay. Always from the common number. And then 1 and then 5. Okay. So that means 4 and 5 are opposite. 2 and 1 are opposite. 3. What will be the opposite of 3? The missing number. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is given. So 6. So here the opposite of 3 will be 6. Now you can give all the answers, whether they are asking the opposite of 4, whether they are asking opposite of 3 and 2. You can give all the answers. Okay. So this is your second rule, in which only one number is common, but the position of that common number is not same. If the position of that common number is same, then what we will do? We will take the positions. Means if right hand side 2 is given, so whatever in the right hand side in the another dice, we will take that opposites. Okay. But and you can use this rule there also. Okay. This is very. Now our rule number 3. If only 2 numbers are common. So this is your one dice, and here is another one. 1, 2, here is also 1, 2, and there is 5, here is 6. Okay. So in both the dice there is 2 numbers are common. Here is 1, 2, here is 1, 2. First of all, we will check whether this is standard dice or this is general dice. So in this is 7. Yes, so this is our general dice. Here is also sum of adjacent is 7. So this is also this is one dice in different phases. You can say after rotation, this is looking like this and this. Okay, this is one dice. So if there is a sum of adjacent is 7 in one dice, that means both are the general dice. So what is common? 1 and 2. Here is 1 and 2, and here is also 1 and 2. What is left? What is left? 5 and 6. That means 5 is opposite to 6. 5 is opposite to 6. If your question is what is the opposite to 5, so that is 6, and opposite of 6 is 5. But in this, when these two cases are given, means when the two numbers are common, then we cannot find out the opposite of 1 and opposite of 2. We are not sure here, but we can estimate that will be depend on your options. Means if the opposite of 1, what will be the opposite of 1? There is 4 number are 1, 2, 3 is not given, and 4 is not given. So opposite of 1 will be either 3 or 4. Opposite of 2, either 3 or 4. But we are not sure here. We cannot say this will be the answer. Okay, we are not sure. One from these two. Okay. So if in your options 1 is given, then you can tick that one. If both are given, then you can also tick that. If your answer is given in the either 3 or 4, you can tick. Okay. Now next is, this is only 3 rules are there. in the rule number 1, what we have done in the rule number 1, we just check one number is common and that number is in both the dice, that is at the same position, means either at the top or on the left or right. Position can be any, but that will be the same position. So what you will do, you will just compare the number on the right hand side number, that will be opposite of the right hand side that is given here, and that left also, if one number is in the left, so another is the opposite of that, if the position of common number is same. In the rule number 2, if the position of the common number is not same, then we do the rotation in the clockwise direction and then we find out our answer. In the rule number 3, only 2 numbers are common, so what will be left in both the dice, they will be the opposite, and we are not sure about this answer. We can just say either from 3 or 4, and the opposite of 2 will be either from 3 or 4. Okay, now we will do some problems related to this. Hello students, now we will solve some problems related to our dice. Okay, we will use rules that we have done. So first of all, this is find the number opposite to 4. Here is given 2 dice. Okay, they have given us 2 dice. So first of all, we will check whether the given dice is standard or general. If standard, then we know the opposites, and if that is general, then we will use our rules. Okay, so first of all, check the sum of opposite. Here is 8 and this is our 11, this is 7. So we got the sum 7, adjacent, the sum of the adjacent surfaces is 7. So that means this is our general dice. This is our general dice. So what we will use? We will use some rules. So 2, 6, 5, 5. 5 is common in both. So what? And the position of the 5 is different. So we will use the rotation rule and in the clockwise direction. We will start from 5 here, from here in the clockwise, and from this. Here is also from this and this to this. So write this 5. What will be next? That will be 6. What will be next? That will be 2. From here 5 will be here. Then clockwise it will be 1. In the clockwise this will be 4. So these are the opposites of each other. Yes, and what we have to find out here? We have to find out here only opposite to 4. So opposite to 4 is 2. And if you want to find out the opposite of 5, what will be that? The missing number. So 1, 2, 3 is not given. So opposite of 5 will be 3. Okay. Now find the number opposite to 6. There is 4 dice are given, means these are the different angles of one dice. Okay. First of all, we have to check whether this is standard or general. So let's check the sum. Here is 5, this is 8, and this is 9. No, this is not. From here this is 8 and this is 9. No, here is also not. Here is 7. In the given dice, there in all the given figures we have checked, there is sum of the adjacent is not 7. Sum of adjacent is not 7. So what is this? This is our standard dice. So what is the opposite of 2? Nothing to check. In the standard dice we know that. What will be our answer? Our answer will be 5. So opposite of 2 in the standard dice will be 5. Okay. Now next is, in this we have to find out the opposite of 6. ये हमें find out करना था. So opposite of 6 in the standard die, opposite of 6 is 1. Okay. And another way to find out is, suppose अगर ये हमारा standard नहीं होता और अगर आप वो वाला rule use करें, the rule that we use for the rotation, this rule will work for all the dice. ये आपका rule हमेशा काम करेगा. Don't forget this rule. Okay. So suppose here 6 is common and here 6 is common. So in both the dice 2 numbers are common. 6 and so 2 is the opposite of 5. Okay. From this and from the next, where is here 3 and 1 is common. So 2 is opposite of 5. Similarly, from where we can find out the opposite of 1. From here we can find out. Here 3 is common in both these 2 dice. This is our standard dice. We can directly find out, but but according to this rule we can apply this rule in all the dice. Okay, so here 3 and 3, so this is common number and this is on the right hand side, so 2 will be opposite of 5, 1 will be opposite of 6, but you will not go in this. First you will check the sum of adjacent. If that is not 7, so that is standard and you will directly write your answer, no need of checking, within seconds you can do this. Okay, now the question number 3, opposite of 2. First of all we will check the type. So here is 8, 5, no this is not, here is 6 and this is 7. Here sum of adjacent is 7, 5 plus 2 is 7, so that means this is our general dice. Okay, in the general dice we will use only 2 dice from the given 4. We will use only 2 for our answer. हम सिर्फ 2 are enough for us. So opposite of 2. If look at this and this. Here you can compare these two. There is 2, there is 2, 3 and 6. Okay. So we will move clockwise direction. Yes. From to here and from this to here. So what will be here? 2, then 6, then 3. From here 2, 5 and 4. These are the opposites. So what will be the opposite of 2? That will be 1. That will be 1 because 1 is missing. So opposite of 2 is 1. This is your answer. This is your answer. Okay. Now find the opposite to 4. We have to find out opposite of 4. Please don't do. Opposite of 4. So here is, first we have to check whether this is standard or general. Okay. So sum of this is 8, this is 6 and this is 4. Here 6, 5. Okay. This is standardized. So opposite of 4 will be 3. Opposite of 4 will be 3 in the standardized. Our answer is 3. Okay. Now here find opposite to 4. Opposite to 4. First we will check the type of the dice. Here this is 8, this is 6. Okay. This is 6 and this is 7. So this is general dice. Type of this is general dice. So what we will do? We will take any 2 dice from this. We will use only 2 dice from this. So here is 6 and 6. We will take this. 6. One number is common. We will use the rule number. Rule number. I think one rule number. So when one number is common. So this is common. And position is same. So opposite of 2 will be 5 and 4 will be 1. So what we have to find out? 4. So opposite of 4 will be here 1. Here 1. Why? Because 6. The position of the 6 in these 2 dice is at the same location on the right hand side. So opposite of 2 will be 5 and 1 will be 4. Now this. Sometime this kind of problems will also come. This is a different problem. Here this is given. This is a net for the dice. Means from this net you have to form one dice. Okay. And you have to find out opposite of 3. In this type of nets, the alternates are opposite. Means alternates are opposite. So opposite of 3 will be 6. Opposite of 4 will be 5. So what is left? 1 and 2. So that will be opposite. We have to find the opposite of 3. So that will be 6. This is your answer. Okay. Now this is your last one. Here is one net is given and 4 option is given. We have to check which one is the correct. So what will be the opposite? First we will write the opposite of that. Okay, I am rubbing this one now. So alternates are opposite. So B is opposite to F and E is opposite to C. So C is opposite to E. So what is left? A is opposite to D. A is opposite to D. So from these given options we have to check which one is correct. Please remember one thing here. The opposite phases never be seen together and never be hidden together. Means कभी इकट्ठे वो दिखाई भी नहीं देंगे और कभी hide भी नहीं होंगे. If any opposites are there in the adjacent surfaces, then that dice will be rejected. So check B and F. B and F. No, here is not. Here is BFF. No. There is B and F. So these are the opposites. They cannot become together. So that means option 1 is incorrect. Now C and E. C and E is given here. This is also incorrect. Check C and E. Okay. Next is A and D. A and D is here. So this will also rejected. And what is our answer? Our answer is second one. Okay. So guys, do the practice at home. Take the different types of problem. Okay. I hope you understand. Thank you. Have a nice day.